Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and Brooklyn just jumped up on my lap to eat the box I have right next to me. So let me show you. This is going to be a Temu haul. So this is all on PR. Temu had me select some products. Let me get rid of that box over there. So Temu let me select some products and I'm going to go ahead and share them with you, and I'm going to tell you the cost. Everything will be down in my description box along with a code where you can save 30% off of your first order at Temu. So again, everything will be linked down in my description box. All right, let's begin with the best thing. So I'm headed out. I'm going on a cruise and I want to show you what I'm going to bring on my cruise first. All right, so it's this huge thing right here. I've got the prices right here. I'll also show you a little picture up here of the product itself. So this is a backpack, as you can tell. It's one of those expandable backpacks. It has several features. It has a zipper down here for shoes. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna bring this down a little bit. So you can put your shoes in there. It keeps them separated from all the rest of your clothes. This is actually called a hiking backpack, I believe. So let me go ahead and show you all the compartments it has. So it has another zipper compartment here. The zippers work great. I already tried everything. And then of course this big compartment here. And this is the little thing that's attached to the bottom for your shoes right here. So your shoes will be totally separated, or your wet clothes, or whatever you need this for. And it also comes with a USB charging port. Has a little zipper. Let me see if I can show you right here. It does come with a cord in here. And on the outside, there's the plug-in. What I really like about this backpack, if you can tell, it has, let me move my phone back up. It does have a lot of cushion on the back, and that's really what drew me to it. It's very soft, so hopefully it won't be hurting my back. It is kind of a big backpack, and you know, I do have some back problems, so hopefully it's not going to be too heavy, but I'm hoping that this cushion will help. So again, this will be linked in my description box, and the cost of this item was $29.68, and I'm crooked. Maybe that's better, don't know. All right, so $29.68. That's the most expensive item that I got. I love it, I needed it. All right, next thing that's coming on my cruise with me are these slip-on shoes. See, I had unboxed everything already so I can get all of the prices and everything for you. But here is some little slip-on shoes. They look really nicely made. They have a nice sole on the bottom. Have these little styrofoam, I don't know what they call them. What do you call this, Zach? He's going like that. Anyway, but they're nice. Nice shoes for my trip. Slip-on shoes. Okay. So yeah, these are like really nice slip-on shoes. Looking forward to wearing those for the trip. And those were $19.48. Okay. Next item. I got these shoes. I've been wanting them for a long time. They're nice. Boy, they're really nice. Nice hard sole there. They are soft inside. Very pretty. And I love the flower. So these shoes cost, these were $9.69. Yes, $9.69. Love these. All right. By the way, I had bought some boots from Temu, and I believe I got those boots on PR as well, and I love them. I've worn them to work about 2 or 3 times already, and they are so warm. If I remember, I'll put a picture of them up here, but the shoes are pretty high quality. They don't hurt my feet, and they are very nice. So hopefully these are the same. All right, next item is this purse here. This, and I will put the title of the purse, I'll put a picture of the purse up here somewhere. This was $12.48. It's pretty large capacity in there. They have this in here to keep the shape of the purse. I might actually save this and put it back in there. But this purse comes with a strap here and also a little tassel to put on the purse itself. And not too sure if I'm going to do the tassel, but I do like the purse. It's very pretty. It's not very thick, I wouldn't say. It does have the feet on the bottom. Can't really tell exactly what it's made out of. Sure, it's supposed to be imitation leather, I believe. I've gotten some other purses from them before, which seem to be a little higher quality than this one. I have to be honest. I'm a little underwhelmed with this one, but there are things I like about it. I love the color. I love the straps. I love the look. And inside, it looks like it is waterproof. You hear all that? That's the inside of the purse. So I'm assuming that's like a waterproof type material. These zippers here are just for show. They do zip up and down, but there's no pocket there. It's just for show. All right, so there's that purse there. Next thing. Let's see what this is. I don't remember. Okay. This cost, I'll start with that. How's that? $12.08. And what this is, it's for over my closet door. And it has pockets. I have a lot of like purses hanging over my closet door right now. And I wanted something where I could actually, okay, this is a different one. So they didn't send me the one that I thought I was getting. This one looks like it's for like, well, it could be for anything, but it might be good for shoes. It might be good for like little like socks, underwear, whatever you need it for. I actually have things like this already. They did not send me the one that I thought I was getting, but that's okay. I'm sure I can get some use out of this. So there is that. All right. So that's where I'm going to stop this video today. I do have more items that they provided to me. I'll go ahead and do that video when I come home from my vacation. And everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and let me know if any of these items would be something that you want to purchase. Again, you'll get 30% off if you use my link in the description box. And thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.